Hi there, welcome to English Sprout. My name is Kaylan. I'm so happy you're here. At English Sprout, we start small and grow big. Whether you're just beginning to learn English or want to feel more confident when you speak, read, or understand words, this channel is for you. We focus on word proficiency by assisting you with pronunciation, definitions, reading, interpretations, and proper use. Here, we'll practice pronouncing words, building vocabulary, defining words, reading, and proper use of English words the right and natural way. Each instruction will be simple, fun, and easy to follow, perfect for beginners of any age. From sounds to sentences, we'll help you understand how to pronounce words, comprehend their meanings, and use them properly. Listen, speak, read, and write. We aim to help you understand words in a meaningful way so that you can use them appropriately in social, political, economic, and educational contexts. Real life applications. Let's work together to create a glossary that includes words, their meanings, pronunciation, and illustrative examples. This resource will not only enhance your understanding but help you paint vivid pictures in your mind. Use of words. Many words have similar meanings but are used differently in context. We help you identify those distinctions so that you can use words correctly. Vocabulary knowledge is an essential skill that can be learned by engaging instruction, daily practice, and contextual interpretation. So, mastering speaking and reading skills in English can be done in two ways. The most effective way is regular practice, and it helps you improve your vocabulary through effortless daily practice and repetition using music, videos, and movies to reinforce those learnings. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. So if you want to speak clearly, understand better, and enjoy learning English, don't forget to like, subscribe, and grow.